You take beautiful images of everything. Sunday's breakfast, Monday's breakfast, Fido's breakfast. But when someone enters your house, you could get an image like this. When it really matters, you need a really good security camera. Meet Nest Cam IQ. It doesn't just see incredibly well. It's got serious brain power, so it can tell the difference between your dog and your dog walker. Then Nest Cam IQ will zoom in and follow the action for you. And when you add Nest Aware, Nest Cam IQ becomes even smarter with face recognition, so you can receive an alert if it sees someone who shouldn't be there, or if your children have just got home from school. It also has HD Talk and Listen, so they'll hear you loud and clear.
Guys, keep screen time to an hour.
With Nest Cam IQ looking out for what matters, you can get back to doing the things you truly love. Nest Cam IQ, a sharper way to look after your home.